Get out of the car.
I'm a sovereign citizen.
This is by which the law, you write your tickets. You have a ticket, you want to know the code, it's from the NRS.
Okay, I'm very sorry you feel that way. This white car right here, we're gonna pull over for speeding at 87. From 890 feet. Hey, how are y'all? My name's Deputy Searles with the Sheriff's Office. Real stop you're going 87. You know the speed limit is 70?
I was just trying to go with the flow.
Okay, well you're going faster now. Yeah. Give me just a second, I'll run back, okay? Thank you. Pulled over for speeding, neither one of them got a seatbelt on. Their car smells like weed, so I've got another unit coming to me so we can search the vehicle. I smell perfume or something now. I think they've sprayed something. All right, ma'am. Like I said, I pulled you over for speeding. I did write you a ticket, okay? Hop out, come around back, and explain the citation to you, okay?
Okay, I don't want to get out.
I don't care. You're getting out. Your car smells like weed, and I'm going to search your car.
My car does not.
It does.
No, it doesn't. I don't even smoke weed.
It smells like weed?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
I don't smoke weed.
Okay, well, you have to get out of your car, okay?
For a citation?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's your supervisor?
My supervisor?
For one, I'm a sovereign.
Down the road?
I'm a sovereign citizen, for one.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car, okay?
Do not touch me.
Get out of the car.
I'm a sovereign citizen. Do not touch me.
You're a sovereign citizen.
You better not touch my child.
17-year-old's an adult in the state of Georgia.
Child.
Ma'am.
This is the United States government.
Ma'am.
Because I was injected with the COVID vaccine before the pandemic started. They're targeting me. Somebody is paying. You want to know why?
Somebody's paying me?
The government.
Yeah, the state.
Let me tell you why.
Yeah, that's where my paycheck comes from. Are you going to get out of the car?
Listen.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Can you move?
Get out of the car.
If you touch me, you don't have
Get out of the car.
If you touch me,
get out of the car. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
I'm getting out.
Get out. You're under arrest. Get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest, okay?
3181.
This is a precedent, okay?
All right, go back here.
You're doing this on purpose.
Go back here. Come on.
Oh my God!
Come over here.
That's my daughter.
Come over here.
God, God, this.
All right, you have anything on your supposed to have? You have anything on your
Don't touch me!
All right.
You're doing this to try to ruin my reputation. The United States government
Nobody knows who you are.
With the COVID-19 vaccine before the pandemic started, and you targeted me because of it. I have the same cells as Henrietta Lacks. They are targeting me. They're targeting me. They want to ruin my reputation. Get your hand off me.
Appreciate it. Thank you. There's the weed right there. Upon initial approach of the vehicle, I smelled the odor of marijuana. We got her out. She's in custody for obstruction, not getting out of the car when I told her to. Searching the car, I did find a little bit of marijuana. My other partner's on my way back.
The nanotechnology inside you too.
The nanotechnology?
Are you a robot?
What are you talking about?
You want to know what I'm talking about? Ask your government what I'm talking about. Ask them what they're spraying on your food. Ask them what they're spraying in the air. Ask them what they're spraying on our children. Ask them what's coming and tell them that I said them because they'll never control me like they're controlling you, you robot. Tell them that. Yo, and y'all got me without my wig on. Yo.
You smiling about that, quit.
Because I don't like you. I'm not trying to make you happy.
If she would have just got out of the car like we told her to and we searched the cars, she just had a very small amount of marijuana. It's a shame she has to go to jail when she could have just got the citations and been on her way. The driver's under arrest for possession of marijuana, obstruction, and the traffic violations.
Be a red pickup truck, was on Church Road, 127. It's unknown occupants. Hey, brother.
Hey, I'm sorry. I was talking to him, and I was...
Do what?
I said I was talking to him, and
oh, okay.
I ran the red light.
All right, hang tight. I'll be right back.
180.
Just gonna check his information out, see what's going on, because he admitted to running the red light. Brooker, 50 County. Can I get read back on that 1028?
Class C suspended in 03.
Looks like a kid in the passenger seat. When I get back up there, I'm gonna let him know he's got a warrant for his arrest. And we're gonna take him to jail on that. It's just a driving charge for driving while his license is revoked. Can you step out for me real quick so I can explain this to you about what your citation's about, man?
Am I going to jail?
Well, I'll explain it to you in just a minute.
I'm going to jail.
Well, you got. I'm charged you with some traffic stuff, but I want to explain it to you. If you hop out, I'll explain it to you. All right. So I did charge you with driving while your license is revoked, okay? And I also charge you with failing to stop at the steady red light, okay? In addition to that, you do have a warrant for your arrest for driving while your license is revoked.
171.
So stupid.
You got anything in your pockets or anything?
No.
Okay.
It's not fair, especially considering that I've not been driving. You're doing for driving. That's doing business economics. The definitions of the words that we use,
Well, I'm not-
all agree on.
I'm not even gonna get in that. You driving a car. You operating a motor vehicle.
Traveling.
If you look up the definition of the word driving in a legal dictionary,
Willie, he wasn't driving, he was traveling.
if you look up the definition of the word driving in a legal dictionary, it says to do business or commerce. If we don't all agree on the words that we use, if we don't all agree on the definitions of the words that we use, then what does
What does
language?
society call driving?
It doesn't matter what society calls driving.
Society's how our laws are generated.
But no.
Society's how our laws are generated. What you're arguing right now, I have taken to court and beat probably 10 times because you're not the first person that says we're traveling. That's a sovereign citizen type talk. I'm just telling you.
But sovereign and citizen can't.
I'm just telling you.
Oxymoron.
I'm just letting you know. I have taken what you've taken to court probably more than 10 times because you're not the first person that said it, the second person, third person, and every time I beat that case.
So what about the case law that says that we do not need a license to travel?
What's the name of that case law?
Bro, I don't know that.
What's the name of that case law?
I have it on my phone.
You got it
I
on
have
your
it
phone? On your phone ain't gonna do no good. You better be able to repeat it. If you want to talk big boy words like that, you better be able to repeat what you're talking about.
Obviously gonna go this way.
What about my wallet? What about?
We're gonna.
Y'all ain't grabbing nothing.
Hey, somebody will travel this thing to the tow yard.
Like I told him, we have 3 catfish right here in the back. Whenever my ride gets here, I want to take those if I can.
Yeah, man, do whatever you gotta do. Some pretty big ones, man. Yeah. Y'all did good. It could have gone much differently, though. All you had to do was comply with us, but now you want to tell us that we don't know what we're doing, we don't read the laws, we need to, all that stuff, and we're just, at that point, you've kind of bought your ticket, so you're gonna ride your ride.
I'll be Wilson at 160 with a silver Saturn. It's gonna have a sovereign citizen plate on it. So we're stopping this individual for fictitious license plates. They have a sovereign citizen plate on their vehicle, which is not valid. Hello.
How can I help you today?
I'm Deputy Huggins with the Sheriff's Office. The reason I stopped you is you have fictitious plates on your vehicle.
What do you mean by fictitious?
You don't have a valid license plate on your vehicle out of any state, sir.
Correct.
That is correct. You're required to have one. Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
Sir, I don't have any of that.
Okay, go ahead and step out for me.
I'd rather stay here.
Sir?
Not a sovereign.
Please step out of the vehicle. This is the last time I'm going to ask you.
Is that a threat? Under threat?
If you do not exit the vehicle, I will remove you from the vehicle.
Okay. So under threat. Under
23,
duress.
individual is refusing
I'm
to
not
exit.
refusing. I just want to clarify it's under duress. And we are being recorded.
So what is this?
What is what?
This.
Well, it's a lot of information here.
Okay.
I have the Nevada revised statutes.
Okay.
All right.
So what's your first name, sir?
Until I'm under arrest, you have a...
That is not true. Are you refusing to identify?
No.
Okay, so what's your first name, sir?
Good citizen, how's that?
Nope, doesn't work. Legal first name, please.
You can call me Brian.
Brian?
I'm not giving any other information.
Okay, fantastic. Go ahead and turn around, place your hands behind your back
Look,
for me.
I will, if under threat of arrest, I will.
I'm not threatening you with an arrest. I'm admonishing you if you refuse to identify yourself to me, you will be placed under arrest.
First name. and I have the
You
right.
also said you were going to give no further information, Brian.
I prefer not to, but under
Okay.
threat of arrest. I need your name.
My name's Deputy Huggins of the Nye County Sheriff's Office.
Hold on, let me get my pen. Do you mind?
This isn't an exchange of information, sir. This is a traffic stop. Could I have on-duty towing route? So here's what's going to happen, Mr. Bryan. I'm towing your vehicle today for not having registration or insurance. You're also going to be receiving citations for those offenses. Do you understand that?
No, I do not.
Okay, what's unclear?
The Nevada Rise statute.
Okay, and which one would that be?
104.1103. Construction of the Uniform Commercial Code to promote underlying purposes, policies.
Okay, here's the
Let me
thing.
finish.
I'm not interested in anything you have to say
This
about
is the
that.
law.
Okay.
This is by which the law, you write your tickets. You have
Okay.
a ticket, you want to wrote a code, it's from the NRS. Am I
Okay,
correct?
I'm very, very
it
sorry
says
you
here-
feel that way.
Anything that happens for me to take away my rights.
Okay, none of your
Has
rights
a
are
hu-
being violated. It's
I'm going to
fantastic.
be left standing here. I can't do my. I
Yep, that's
can't have no
because you're
recite-
operating an unregistered, uninsured vehicle on a public highway.
No.
That is why.
I am traveling.
Just go ahead and hang
according
out
to
here.
The Supreme
I'm gonna
Court
write you
law
your tickets.
Ruling that no laws or regulations can be
Okay.
made for traveling in an automobile.
Very good. Just hang out here at the edge of your vehicle for me, please.
And the fine started $100,000.
Very cool. You can send it to the county. We typically refer to these as sovereign citizens. I elect not to really engage with them. I'm not interested in what his justification as to why he doesn't have to do what everyone else has to do is. Typically, the argument, and I believe the one that he was trying to make if I would have let him, is that he's not driving a motor vehicle. He is operating a vessel is typically what the wording is that they go with. And usually it's something to do with this commercial vehicle code, and driver's licenses only apply to commercial vehicles, such and so forth, which is false. If you want to operate a motor vehicle on a public highway, you have to have a driver's license, and that vehicle has to be registered and insured through the state, which this is not. So we're going to be seizing his fictitious plate. We are going to be towing his vehicle, and he's going to be receiving approximately 3 citations today. Okay, Brian, I got a few things for you here, okay? This citation right here, this first one, this is now a civil infraction. This is a civil citation, okay? This is for your vehicle's plates being expired as of April in 2021. That is your copy.
That's only one there?
This is one.
Oh, it's all
So
one
you're
in that
receiving,
whole thing.
yeah, you get a scroll with them. I'm sorry, it's just the way our printers work.
That's crazy.
So this is your civil citation.
Save it
With the
free.
way the traffic laws have changed, we have civil and criminal citations.
Right,
This
this
is your
is civil
criminal
ones.
citation. These 2 are going to be criminal.
Or-
So this is for operating without proof of insurance, and this is for driving. Your license is currently suspended out of the state of Nevada.
Right.
Do you have any questions for me on those, sir?
No.
Okay, that one is your copy as well. This traffic stop is concluded. I'll be removing your vehicle, and you are free to go. Thank you for your cooperation today. Have a good day. His vehicle's being towed. He wasn't happy about it, but the law is the law. I don't live in make-believe land like he does. We don't get to just make up things and say they're the truth. So he received approximately $1,200 in tickets. He went on his way. His car goes with the tow truck, and we're gonna move on to whatever else is next.
This truck, there's no month or year tag on the license plate. When you run it, it comes back expired of 2021.
42, clear, please.
If it doesn't go down, man, just open the door.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Good, yourself?
Good. The reason I pulled you over is because your registration is crazy expired. You know why, or what's the deal with that?
No, I don't need a registration.
You don't need a registration?
Yeah, I don't need a registration.
How come?
Because I'm free to travel.
Okay. All right. Do you have a driver's license on you?
I have a form of identification.
Where is it at? Is it in your pocket? Don't reach for it.
No.
Stop reaching.
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
Okay, come out. Step out of the car.
I don't want to leave my vessel.
Right now, you have to come out of the car.
Why?
Because I'm telling you, you don't have a driver's license. You haven't provided me with the driver's license.
Well, I'm going to give you identification.
But you're going to come out of the car and do it.
Sir, you're hurting me.
Okay. What's your name?
Isai.
Isai?
Yeah.
I'm going to help. You're going to step out of the car, or I'm going to have to pull you out of the car. I'd rather you just step out on your own, and we can figure things out.
Can I grab my phone?
Not right now.
All right. Let me get out.
Is
your cam on?
It is. Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's step out of the street. All right, have a seat, EC. So what do you consider yourself? Like, is this like a sovereign citizen thing, or?
I don't have any contracts.
What do you mean?
That binds me.
What do you mean
the
contracts?
states with your corporation, because you're a policy enforcer.
Well, no, I'm a law enforcement officer, and the state of California has laws, right? You live in the state of Camilifornia. We have to abide by these laws,
Yeah,
right?
We have a constitution also
Right.
that protects us.
From what? What amendment of the Constitution right now? Well, I'm not searching anything right now, right?
Right,
You're being
right.
detained
Right.
lawfully.
Yeah, check me out.
Okay. So wanted to just check and see what was going on with him. He's got an expired driver's license. The tags are 3 years expired. Not sure why this guy thinks he doesn't have to obey the laws of California, but
I'm not contracted with the state, a corporation that you're policy enforcing.
there's vehicle codes and laws that I'm following, and so unfortunately his truck's gonna get towed tonight. Looks like this is where he's getting all of his information, the UCC connection, how to free yourself from legal tyranny. So I'll ask him if he wants to get that back. Do you want this?
Yeah, sure.
How come you don't have this on there? That would have been much easier to explain.
No, I just haven't got around to it, that's all. This corporation you work for, they work in codes. They work in secrecy, yeah, they do. You guys are stealing my property, my private property, which owns to me. It doesn't own to your corporation that you work for. You can only apply law and codes and policies if you own the property. You don't.
Where are you getting all of this information?
USC.
Oh, out of that little book that you had, right?
Nah. You guys have a website.
Okay.
That you guys have a, you have to abide by your duties and policies, which you held an oath to.
All right, man. You have any other questions before we get out of here?
Nah, man. I hope you guys have a good night.
All right, you too.
Have a good night's rest.
I think it all boils down to a guy who was on the internet too much and is very misinformed. So we ended up towing his vehicle, and hopefully this will be a lesson to him that there's laws that you have to obey.
For me, a 25 sovereign citizen plate. Hey, can you roll your window down? Roll your windows down. Hey, roll your window down. Hey, how are you, sir?
I'm well, how are you?
Yeah, I need you to roll the window down. I can't hear you.
I'm fine. I'm looking for my passport right now.
Sir, I need you to roll your window down. He's non-compliant. I just want to get one more, please. Maybe two with somebody nearby. Hey, sir.
166, can I tell you?
Hey, listen, I can't hear you, buddy. Can you roll your window down?
Sir, I'm speaking.
Roll your window down, buddy. Sir, roll your window down. I cannot hear you.
Yes,
All the way.
What's your point for that sovereign?
All the way. Roll your window down.
5285 northbound.
Sir, I need your driver's license, okay? I'm stopping you for a paper tag.
12991. Tom's Crossroads. I'm involved in 250.
Sir, I need your driver's license.
10-4, you need EMS?
I can't hear you.
I have my passport.
Okay, that's fine. I need some type of documentation.
I'm out with you on 29.
I believe my passport is in the trunk of my car. Give
Okay.
me 1 second.
Real quick. Do you have a driver's license?
I have my passport, sir.
I understand that. I understand what you're saying. Do you have a valid U.S. driver's license from any state, sir?
I have my passport, sir.
Okay, so no, you don't have a driver's license?
I have my passport. I'm traveling.
Okay. Do me a favor real quick. Turn your car off, okay?
No problem.
Is there any weapons in the car?
I have my firearm.
That's fine. Just don't reach for it, okay?
I'm not going for it.
Sounds like we got a sovereign citizen who said that he wanted to show him his passport and that he was a traveler. Believe he's going to be a sovereign citizen.
Come step right here. Listen, man. By the way, my name's Corporal Tier of the Coweta County Sheriff's Office.
My name is Derek.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
You from Georgia, sir? Or?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So listen, the reason for the stop is the tag. That's not a valid license plate. Okay. So I stopped you for that. Your window tint's also extremely dark, and also it's a 70 mile per hour zone. I paced you at about 83 as well. I'm not really trying to write you any tickets or anything, okay?
That's fine.
Another thing that I'm noticing while we're talking to each other is when I'm sticking my nose through that crack in your window, I can smell the extreme odor of marijuana coming out of your car. Okay? So here's what's going to happen. I'm just going to keep it real with you and polite and respectful as I can. You're not free to leave. Due to the odor of marijuana, I'm going to be conducting a probable cause search of the car. Okay? Honesty goes a long way. If you have a little bit of marijuana, man, I'm not trying to jam you up as long as you tell me the truth. Come over here so we get pinned between our cars. Right here is fine.
Absolutely.
Do you have any marijuana in the car?
If I do, it's probably the tiniest clip that was from way earlier
That's
today,
fine. Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If I do.
Okay, that's hey, I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Now I heard you mention something about a passport.
Yes, sir.
And I understand that. What I'm asking is, do you have a valid Georgia driver's license?
I travel with my passport because I'm traveling in a private capacity.
Okay.
So that is why I travel with just my passport.
Okay.
I'm not under commerce or anything like that. I'm just a private citizen, private person.
Citizen. Okay.
That is all, sir.
Okay. So let me explain a few things to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you're a Georgia resident.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. You need to have a driver's license.
Now,
okay.
May I ask a question?
Absolutely.
Constitutionally,
okay.
right?
So
is that no? I'm asking. I'm asking.
Okay.
Is that no? I'm just asking because like we do have Supreme Court that does state right to travel in private capacity. That's what I.
So the best way I can explain to you is driving's a privilege, not a right. Okay, so you're on Georgia's roadways. You need to have your vehicle registered and a valid driver's license. So here's what we'll do. We'll go a step at a time. I'm gonna get your information. I'm gonna search your card for probable cause due to the odor of marijuana. And we'll go from there, okay? I'm gonna get it, but where is your passport? In the trunk?
I believe it's in the trunk in my umpire bag.
Okay.
But I would like to get it because I just
No, sir.
This should be good for now. He's want to use this wagon service.
So stand right here, okay?
All right, but I'm not.
Don't leave from there, buddy, okay?
That's fine.
So stop the vehicle because he has no valid registration on the rear of the car. Smell odor of marijuana coming from the car. There's a little bit argumentative about the sovereign citizen thing. So we're going to try to figure everything out.
Now on to 166, 184 status.
It's always sort of fascinated me. Does someone tell them this stuff works? Like, if you get pulled over.
I have yet to see it work anywhere.
Ever.
And it's the same common verbiage every single time, no matter where it's at in the country. Who's saying it. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
And I don't know of anywhere where it's gotten somebody
But there's got to be somewhere online,
driving.
right, where people are saying, oh, by the way, you'll get out of a ticket if you tell them you're a private citizen who's traveling and not driving.
And all you need is your passport.
Exactly. There you go.
Anything else on your person that you shouldn't have?
In Coweta County in Georgia, it looks like the sovereign citizen, the traveler who just had a passport and maybe a little bit of marijuana is getting at least detained.
Just my AirPods.
184, I'm 95. Need a next list.
Aside from your watch, your cell phone, is there anything that you need us to get to take with you?
These just AirPods or something? Okay, I'll leave your AirPods in your pocket.
No.
Spread your feet, buddy. Thank you, sir.
14239.
Okay. Can you transport for me? All right. Let's go take a step back here for me, okay?
You're gonna walk me back home.
Watch out. Oh, was it my mirror?
All right, so look.
Thank you.
Same spill. It's not the
So he's going to be placed under arrest for obstruction, possession of marijuana, along with having an expired tag.
and no valid registration. We're fortunate that it ended in a safe way. These encounters can be dangerous. I think at the end of it, we had a good conversation both ways. Unfortunately, like I said, his vehicle's unregistered. You can see the tag, no driver's license or insurance required, not for commercial use, private vehicle. It's a common trend we see on the road. And unfortunately, a lot of police officers and a lot of citizens, they get hurt because there's no communication, and it's a one-way street. Nobody will communicate with each other. So, fortunate nobody got hurt. He's going to be taken to Coweta County Jail. We'll tow the vehicle, and we'll get out of here. Thank you. Yeah. Let me get his wallet. I'm gonna leave the.
That tag is just begging to get pulled over.
Hey, boss, how you doing? Not too bad. Deputy of the Sheriff's Office.
I just got pulled over.
Hey, so the reason why I'm stopping you, boss, I didn't recognize the tag that was on your vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license registration with you?
Here you go. I got the paperwork right here. Where's the paperwork at, Michelle? Here. All right.
It's where?
Yeah, let me see.
Oh.
Here. She wants to talk.
The woman on the phone is apparently the driver's wife, or lawyer, or both.
Okay, where's your driver's license, boss?
That's for the... No, I don't need my window down.
I'm sorry. So, do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, what's your name, boss? I don't see your name on here. Can you point it to me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not how this works. Where's your driver's name at?
I'm just giving him the paperwork. Okay. Here, you talk to him then.
Ma'am, if he refuses to identify himself in this traffic stop, there's going to be an issue.
Sir?
Uh-huh.
He is identifying as a national of the neutral power state. As you know, that removes him from your jurisdiction.
It doesn't matter who he identifies as. He's operating a motor vehicle in the state of Florida, ma'am.
Sir, as you know, the terms of the Geneva Convention clearly state that you are required to have knowledge of every term.
Not sure what the Geneva Convention says about traffic stops, but it looks like this traveler and his vessel are about to part ways.
Hop out of the car.
I've done something wrong.
You're failing to identify yourself?
That's not a law. That's not a misdemeanor. It's not a law. Hey, don't get in my car. What are you guys doing?
Out of the car.
Watch this. They're jerking me out of the car, Michelle.
Step out of the car, dude. Get out.
They're getting me out of the car. All right, I'm getting out. I'm getting
Stop
out.
pulling away from me.
You guys are jerking me around.
As they arrest the driver, check that, traveler, it looks like his legal advisor has finally arrived.
That is my property over there as a trustee of the trust that has
Yes.
Okay.
Actually.
has legal ownership to that vessel over
Ma'am, do you have your driver's license on you? You're not wearing your seatbelt.
I was making sure of that, yeah.
You know what? I'm tired of your
Can I see your driver's license, ma'am?
You're not going to collect revenue on me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This vessel is displaying a distress flag and you're attacking me.
93,
Just let her go.
They let her go, but then quickly realized her truck has the exact same homemade paper tags.
Because I have a phone number for him.
Unlock this door now.
No, I'm not going to you.
Get out.
We breaking it?
Open the door now. Yes, so. Now get out. Get out. Get out.
Out of the car.
Oh shit! Stop the.
She's pulled from the truck, which is still in drive.
Put your hands on your back.
U.S. code 241 and you're hurting me.
And now both these travelers will be traveling to jail.
Oh, I think we're good. Well, we still broke out a window. Oh, well, yeah, for that part. Hey, but that was the part I worried about.
43-year-old Laura Lynn Michelle Nabozi now faces charges of battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence. Now, Destry Wuggerman, age 58, was charged with driving an unregistered motor vehicle, driving with a suspended or revoked license, and also resisting an officer without violence.
And they had an aquatic vessel in
That's right.
the back of the truck as well there. Yeah. Until the moment where they had to break the window, does it make me a bad person that I enjoy watching these absurd interactions with these sovereign citizens who somehow believe that they are not obligated to follow the laws that everyone else.
Very
required
interesting.
to?
It's very
Did
interesting.
Do you encounter them?
I have not had the privilege yet.
I
have.
But
I've been privileged. I have.
Yeah.
Yes, I have.
And it's, you know.
It just kind of happens just like that, and eventually, I mean, we end up getting them out of the car one way or another. Sometimes we have to have a supervisor come down and talk a little sense into them.